Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Charity of Crochets, and today we are learning how to make a basic granny square, and this tutorial is beginner friendly. So these are the materials that you're going to need: a pair of scissors, a couple of stitch markers, a crochet hook suitable for your yarn, but however I'll be using a 3mm hook. I'm going to be using 100% acrylic yarn. It's Charity double knit yarn by Ely Yarns, South Africa. Alright, and the recommended hook size is 4mm, but however I'll be using a 3mm hook, so you can use any colors of your choice. Alright, so to begin, we're going to make a slip knot. Alright, that's how I make mine, and you're going to chain 1, 2, 3 if you're a chain 3 person, but for now I'll just chain 3. Go ahead in the same circle, another double crochet into the circle, another double crochet. All right, then you're going to chain 2 to make a corner, yarn over into the circle, a double crochet, yarn over into the circle, a double crochet, yarn over into the circle, a double crochet. So we have 2 clusters of a double crochets and with a corner in the middle. All right, you continue by making chain 2, yarn over to create a corner. Sorry about that. Yarn over, double crochet, yarn over, double crochet, yarn over, double crochet. Because we are making a square, you need 4 corners, so right now you have 2 corners. So you're going to chain 2 to make a corner, yarn over, a double crochet, yarn over, another double crochet, yarn over, a double crochet. All right, we have 3 corners now. Chain 2 to make the last corner, yarn over. Oh no, yeah, you don't yarn over, and then you're going to make a slip stitch on the chain 3. All right, then you're going to pull this middle to fasten it off. You can go ahead and make a knot just to secure it. See, so this is what you have: 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are your little corners, and it is a square. From here, this is what I like to do. I'll go into the chain 2, all right, make a single crochet and make another, and then chain 1, all right, to make this a double crochet. All right, and chain again to make it 3 double crochets. Yarn over into the corner, make a double crochet, another double crochet, another double crochet. And because you are at a corner, you're going to chain 2, all right, yarn over, make a double crochet, another double crochet, another double crochet. All right, so because it's a corner, you're going to make a cluster of 2 double crochets. Between there has to be a corner, 2 chains, chain 2 to define the corner. Then you're going to chain 1 because we are increasing our square. All right, so you can change or switch your colors, alternate them however you want them to be, but for this tutorial I'll go for 2 colors, 2 rows for each color. Right, so you have chained 1, you're going to yarn over into the corner, a double crochet into the corner again, another double crochet, the 3rd double crochet. Thereafter you're going to chain 2, yarn over, make another 3 double crochets in the very same space because we are making a corner. All right, 2 and 3. Okay, so you are making an enlargement as we do this. Chain 1, yarn over into the corner, 3 double crochets, followed by chain 2, then 3 double crochets into the same spot, then chain 1, yarn over and place 3 double crochets into the last corner, 2 and 3. All right, chain 2, yarn over, a double crochet, and remember you already did this double crochet, that means you are going to place 2 more now. All right, so that's my 2, and then you're going to slip stitch on the chain 3. All right, so because you want to change colors, you're going to make an incomplete slip stitch, which is why I have 2 loops on my hook. All right, then that's when you are going to introduce your next color. All right, so this is the color that I'm going to introduce. All right, so I'm going to hold it normally as I would and grab and introduce it immediately, then pull my other color, then into the same spot here in the chain 1 spot, I'm going to go ahead and do a single crochet. All right, and then chain 2. All right, so this makes it a chain 3, yarn over, place 2 double crochets. All right, chain 1, yarn over into the corner, 3 double crochets. All right, chain 2 to make a corner, 3 more double crochets into the same space, chain 1 into the chain 1 space of the previous round, you make 3 double crochets, chain 1 into the corner, you make 3 double crochets and 3, followed by 2 chains, then 3 more double crochets into the same spot, chain 1 into the chain 1 space, you make 3 double crochets. All right, chain 1 into the corner, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, yarn over, 3 more double crochets, chain 1 into the chain 1 space of the previous row, 3 double crochets, chain 1 into the last corner, 3 double crochets. All right, chain 2, yarn over, 3 double crochets. Sorry. So as you can see, our square is growing. All right, and then because you did a chain 3 here, you're going to chain 1, and into the 3rd chain of the chain 3 you're going to make a slip stitch. All right, as you can see, this is how you grow your square. On each and every chain 1 space is a double crochet. I mean, it's a cluster of 3 double crochets, and at the corner you make 2 clusters of double crochets, 2 clusters of 3 double crochets, followed by a chain in between. All right, that's how you grow your square. You'll grow it up to the number that you require, and so you just go ahead and do that. Change the colors as you like, and then you assemble. This is just as easy. All right.